Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Codashop.com. So Codashop.com is basically an online platform that allows you with a variety of features such as buying different digital coins, currencies that are available in different kind of games and different applications as well, like the Apple's iTunes, the Spotify, the Fortnite, and many others. So this platform is actually sort of registered by the domain names, and once I try to dive deeper and find out what's actually behind this, as you can see, they have a 4.0 rating on the Trustpilot website, which is based on 19,901 17 reviews. So this is a major green signal because so much people have actually purchased different coins from this platform. So this increases the recognizability and the availability of this platform. As you can see, people are actually very much satisfied by purchasing different kind of diamonds and other currencies that are available on different games. And once I tried for the reviews of this platform and any other application, as you can see on the panel place, it has a rating of 4.8 out of 5, and which is based on 96 reviews. So this is an excellent rating. So in conclusion, I would say this platform is genuinely a true and authentic platform, so you can actually invest your money by purchasing different kind of coins from this platform. So this platform is, in conclusion, trustworthy. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.